dinosaur to get him launch us to freedom. I think we are doing something bad. No one will notice. Our dad is sleeping. Yes, our typical dad. We had arrived school. Okay, Dad.
1 hour later.
Give me food, please. You know I can eat 2 chicken, right? Okay, Bob. Where's the second chicken? I am holding it. It is super annoying because it's like there is 999 liters of oil on it.
Bruh.
True. Why there is just silence. Food time ended, now go outside. This is the day that we are going to escape from school. The dinosaur wants meat, right? We will trick it to launch us into the air. Did you said lunch? No, I said launch, not lunch.
Bruh.
Let's do it. What? Oh my god. Did he pass out? Bye. The seesaw is the perfect place to get launched into nothingness. Okay. Hey Dino. Sour. Wanna meet? Get it. Did you notice we are doing something really dumb? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for the meat. People is going to think we are Superman. Is that in plane? We had survived, yay. That was the dumbest thing we ever did. How did you even hit in plane? Bob did that. How did you manage to do this? We tried escaping school. Kids, the same thing also happened to me. Let's go to home. And run from Mom.